Hello everyone and welcome to a very special share show. This is being recorded on the 31st of May 2021 and that's the end of the first full quarter of trading for Diamond and of course the end of a full month for our other clubs. And it's also, I'm afraid to say, the end of the line for Pentland, which is about to merge with Fortune 200. So let's see what's happening. So this is my special edition looking at profitability in May 2021. And first, our very first club, Tees Traders, started trading in March 2020, over a year ago now. And the members, including me, have been investing £100 a month since then. Altogether, we've got in the trading account $42,374. I've forgotten about the cents. The account value now, Monday the 31st of May, which will stay the same all day because it's a public holiday, Memorial Day in the States, is $69,986. The profit is therefore $27,612. That's 65.16%. But remember, the latest money has only been in for less than a month. The first money has been in for now 15 months. So if you actually average that out in terms of the amount of money we've had available for trading on average, then we're up there over 100%, about 104% in fact. So not going badly for a £100 a month club that didn't start trading puts until December of 2020. Next is Fortune 200. Started trading in about the middle of March 2021, so not long ago at all, but they've invested $85,390.60. The account value now is $91,232.84. So the profit is $5,693. That's 6.65%. However, you've got to take into account that on the 14th of March, there was an injection of $30,666 into the account, which of course has diluted the profit. So even after that dilution, that's pretty good going. And next, Pentland. And of course, the members have decided by vote that they would like to merge with Fortune 200. The idea being that they would like to get into trading puts more quickly. They've been trading since November of 2020 and have accumulated $14,959 in inputs. But the value of the club now is $18,202. So they've actually made 21.68%. Absolutely brilliant. They're now completely in cash and all trades have been complete and they're in profit. So we've got a bit of sorting out to do in terms of transferring money across to Fortune 200, but that'll be done in the next week or two. And then Diamond. Been trading since February 2021, just a few months again, but have got inputs of $364,046. The account value is now $431,065. So that's a profit of $67,019.82 or 18.41%. But of course, even in this short time, some money went in right at the very beginning and some money's only been in a week or two. So there's a difference between what the individual members have made. Money that's been in right from day one will have actually made over 28%. Money that's only been in for a week will have made a lot less. And then there's a graduated scale. So we've actually put together a spreadsheet that calculates it right down to the last cent, the amount of profit that gets allocated to each member, depending on how much money they've got in and how many days in the quarter it's actually been in play with us. I'll be working on that over this week. By the end of the week, I'll be seeing spreadsheets in my dreams, I'm sure of it. But we'll get there and we'll check it very carefully. And then it'll go to the members for them to check and make sure that everyone agrees with the figures as they come out. Then we'll finalize them, sign them off, and do the allocations of profit. As I've just said, I've got a lot of work to do to allocate profit between the members, particularly for Diamond, because Diamond's got to the end of its first full quarter. But I'll also be looking at Tees when it comes down to research and tool fees, the work for Fortune has to be done, but it's less urgent because they've got somewhere to go to get to the end of their first full quarter of trading. So once we've sorted the figures out, I'll contact each member and they'll have the option. They can either pay the money that they owe for training and fees from their trading account out of the profits that they've made, or if they prefer, they'll be able to pay some or all of that money into the clubs so that they're not detracting from the profits that are being made for them. But that'll be made clear in an individual email, and I'll be more than happy to take calls to clarify anything that we need to clarify. Similarly, I'll be contacting each member of Pentland individually to outline their position as far as the merger is concerned and to see what they actually want to do with the monies involved. Of course, we hope that all of the money is going to transfer to Fortune 200 and they'll continue to make great money with this. And now some news. And here and there in this presentation, you'll have seen the calendar up in the top left, 24th of September. It should actually read 24th and 25th of September, and that's the date that we penciled in to do live training. So Owen, Simon and I and Anna will be coming together in the UK, probably in central England, to run a live training program. There'll be a lot more details to come, but for the moment, just save the date. I really look forward to meeting lots of you in person. Now, pin back your ears because this is big news. We're simplifying your costs. As I'm sure you understand and realize, the only way we can bring these gains to you is by charging. We do that through the tools and research fees and by charging a coaching fee that's calculated according to the gains that you make. But I'm going to announce 2 changes to what we charge. And this is solely in relation to Fortune and Diamond. So it doesn't apply to Tees. Their agreement is for a traditional club and it's a bit different. So members with investments worth $2,000 or less will not be asked to contribute to the cost of tools and research, unless and until the personal value of their investment gets higher than $2,000. After that, we feel it's fair enough that people should contribute to those costs. Below that level, had they been in a traditional club, they wouldn't have been contributing, and that's where we got the logic from. And now, coaching fees. We want to simplify what we do in this respect. So members will still retain the first 10% of gains that they make on their journey with us. However, instead of taking 50% of gains thereafter, we're going to be taking a straight 33%. That will be the end of the calculation done. And we hope you agree that that really does make great value. That's it for today, so I'm keeping it short and sweet. I've got a big family event on. You'd be pleased to know that I won't be drinking, so I'll be back working on the spreadsheets and updating stuff later on today. And we'll carry on trading again when the market opens tomorrow. Have fun, everybody. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the weather.